Hey, my genius! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. In today's quiz, we are going to guess the U.S. state on the map one by one. All 40 states will be highlighted on the map, and your challenge is to guess the highlighted state. For each question, you'll have 8 seconds to guess. All right, here we go. Let's start with the easy level. First up, can you guess this large southern state? Texas. Fun fact is that everything's bigger in Texas. All right, what's next? Which state looks like a mitten? Michigan. High five if you got it. Which state is shaped like a boot? Louisiana. It's warm, tropical, and made up of islands. Hawaii. Aloha. Well done, my friend. Can you spot the real flag of Hawaii? Correct! The one with the British Union Jack and 8 stripes. That's Hawaii's unique flag. Yoo-hoo! It's Florida. You nailed the sunshine pick. This western state is home to Hollywood. California. Lights, camera. Guessed it right. Which state has the Grand Canyon? Arizona. Well done. Would you rather hike the stunning Grand Canyon in Arizona or relax on the sunny beaches of California? If you choose Arizona, hit like. If you pick California, smash that subscribe button. Let us know your choice in the comments below. Home to the Big Apple. Yay, it's New York. All right, get ready for the next level. Medium mode. Goo! What state is highlighted here? Yep, that's Illinois. Take a guess at this state. Minnesota, you made it. Can you identify this shape on the map? Colorado, sharp guess for a square state. What's your call on this state? Idaho. It's spudtacular. Which U.S. state is this? Vermont, where maple leaves in mountains. You got it right. What do you think this state is? South Dakota. Recognize this one? Correct! Tennessee. Music to our ears. Any idea what state this could be? Washington. What's this one called? Georgia. Peachy perfect. Which one doesn't belong? Nice job! You spotted the odd one out. All right, let's see if you can finish this strong round. Can you name this tiny state? You're right, Rhode Island. What's your guess for this state? Ooh-hoo, New Mexico. What state do you think this is? Oregon. You're awesome, my friend. Can you tell which state this is? Kentucky. Think you know this state? Yay! Pennsylvania. Liberty rings true. Take a guess. Which state is this? Yep, it's Utah. Try to name this southern state. Alabama, sweet home success. What's the name of this one? Wyoming. Can you figure out this one? Wisconsin. All right, this is where most people give up. Let's go. Which state does this flag belong to? That's Nebraska's blue flag with the state seal. What's this one? Nevada. Amazing! Got a guess for this spot? Missouri. Here's a small one. Can you name it? New Hampshire. What state are we looking at? You're right, Indiana. Vroom, vroom. Can you ID this sneaky state? Delaware, barely on the map, but you found it. What's this oddly shaped state? Oklahoma. Try your luck with this far northeast state. Maine. What do you think this is? Montana. Can you name this mountain state? West Virginia. Totally right. One last state. What is it? Vermont. All right, thanks for playing, friend. If you like our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun quizzes every week. All right, see you next time on the Quiz Slice channel, where the fun never ends. Bye!